Hi, I'm Daniel. I'm going to talk about thinking about your thinking. Have you ever heard about metacognitive skills? They mean thinking about your thinking. These skills can help you plan, track, and improve your learning. You can plan what you need and how you will do it. You can monitor whether you understand what you are learning. Metacognition helps you see your strengths and weaknesses more clearly and leads to better decisions for your next step. Everyone can learn these skills, just practice. Ask yourself questions before, during, and after learning. Metacognition can make learning easier and more effective. Thank you.